this team put together the game plan for taking Atlanta out. How close were you to getting exactly what you wanted today?
We were really close. They missed a lot of shots, though. We will say that. Trae, Kevin, they can get hot at any moment in time. We're glad that they did miss some shots, though.
Yeah, well, you mentioned Trae. What was so effective, though, about the defense? This was a new season low for him.
Just make it physical on him, challenge every shot, keep him off the free throw line, and make him pass. He is a willing passer, but he can score in bunches, and we just don't want him to do that.
Duncan Robinson was absolutely outstanding. If he scores the way he does, I'm not sure anybody can beat you guys. From your perspective, what did you see from him today?
We saw the confident Duncan. The guy that doesn't care what anybody thinks. He's coming out here to get a bucket, get a couple threes up, and he made them. That's what we want from Duncan. That's what we need from Duncan, and Duncan's going to continue to do that.
Thanks so much, Jimmy. Congrats.
All right.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.